I'm
annoying.
super fucking
Well,
annoying.
we have to go through this process, okay?
Why? Why?
I'm not going to be able to go anywhere because I'm investigating for driving under the influence.
Well,
okay, after the
investigate.
crash. That's what I'm trying to do, but you're not helping me.
What do you want from me?
Yeah, you had any drinks today?
No.
Okay.
What do you want? What else do you want?
Wayne, New Jersey, April Doazech. Lounshinling Arshasan. A crash. A driver with no license. And a woman who had a lot to say about the Constitution. She rear-ended another vehicle into a city bus. Both airbags deployed. She had no driver's license on her. Officers suspected DUI. That triggered a separate investigation separate from the crash. That distinction matters legally.
Oh, sorry. Give this out to two tags. What's going on, ma'am? What happened? 01. What's going on?
I'm calling my boyfriend to pick me up.
Where are you coming from? Where are you coming from?
Lawrenceburg. Literally, like, right there.
You have your life insurance on you?
So it just sits there.
Alright, can you grab it?
No, this is no.
We got second today. We just came from one.
But this, yeah, she's roughing it.
What's going on?
She did get out. Yeah, I know. And she did get out, and she was like, she basically was like standing up, holding on to me.
What happened here?
What's the year?
You have your driver's license?
Did you get her ID or?
Not yet. I'm still waiting on her. Yeah, but in a minute. Let's deal with the... What happened here? Hey, Lindsay, just stay with her.
Ela bateu.
Look, ma'am, do you speak English?
No.
Hey, do any of you guys speak Spanish? Do they speak Spanish? So I'm guessing, ask them if the bus was stopped and they were stopped behind it.
You guys speak Spanish or Portuguese?
Português. Português and
But you can speak Spanish, okay.
So ask them what happened. Was the bus stopped?
Nosotros estábamos atrás de claro, y ella nos pegó.
So she hit rear-end them and they pushed them into them.
Was the bus stopped?
Was the bus stopped?
Or was the bus moving?
Lento.
Okay, he was going slow, so maybe he had just pulled off.
So the bus was slow. How
Yes.
fast were they going?
How fast were you? ¿Qué estaba manejando? Sí, pero ¿a cuánto? 45, 40,
Menos.
30? Menos, like 25.
So
They're going like 25.
So and they're in the right lane.
Yes.
Fala para que eu pensei que ele ia parar e eu mantive lento. Ella pensó que él iría parar.
Yeah, I understood. So they thought that the bus was going to stop.
Yeah.
So then they slowed down, and that's when the car slammed into them, and they slammed into the bus.
All right. Okay. And she hasn't gotten out of the car yet?
She got out while I was there because I told her to get out, and she
Ask them if
Wow.
there's anyone else in the car with her.
¿Alguien estaba en el carro con ella o estaba sola?
Con ella
No, sola?
Creo que estaba
They didn't see
sola.
anybody out there. She was by herself. Licencia?
Got the registration, no license.
She has no license?
Registration for her.
Huh?
She doesn't have a driver's license.
She smashed into this and then rode the guardrail.
Hello.
Ma'am,
Hi. I'm Officer Mendez. Police. How you doing?
did she ever provide you her license yet? Did you yet?
Did she give you a license? You're fine. All right. Can you tell me what happened? What? How?
Ma'am, let her. Ma'am, we're over here.
I'm not talking.
No worries. Talk to me. All right?
No, I'm not. I'm
That's fine. She stepped away. What's your name again? Excuse me. What's your name? Ma'am. Hello? You need some help?
Sure.
Here, come outside real quick.
No.
Step out of the car. Listen,
No.
we're done with the traffic crash.
No.
I'm conducting a DUI investigation.
That's fine. That's fine.
Can you cooperate with my investigation?
No. I'm not getting out of the car.
Go ahead and step out of the car for me, okay?
No.
All right. I'm going to pull you out of the car if you don't step out of the car. Understand?
Should I video this? Or?
I'm videoing, okay? Go ahead and step out of the car.
Ma'am, come out of the car.
Don't.
The vehicle has to get
tense.
towed.
Don't tense.
Ma'am, your air,
Get you out of the car, okay?
your airbags went off. The vehicle has to be towed. Come out of the
You
car.
have to come out of the car, okay?
Step out of the car.
Just step out. I'm just trying to help you because I don't want you to reach over and grab something.
Please do not.
I'm going to let go of you, but you're going to come out. Is that good?
Okay.
All right.
Please
Come
don't.
out.
Come on.
Ma'am, don't start reaching into your car.
Let's go. Let's go. Or I'm going to pull you out. We're out of options now.
Ma'am, step out of the vehicle like you were earlier.
Come on.
What?
Get out of the vehicle like you were earlier.
Listen.
Step out of the car.
Listen. Stop. Stop. Stop.
Stop. Step out of your car.
She's distracting me too much.
Okay.
Tell her to stop.
You don't have any options.
Lindsay,
Okay. I need to pause. Okay.
ma'am,
I'm not.
please step out of your car.
No.
The vehicle is going to be towed. You have to come out of the vehicle.
I'm fine with that, but
You can't be in the car when it's getting towed.
Okay. I need to call someone.
All right, you'll have an opportunity for that in a
No,
second.
no,
But you have to
listen.
come out. You don't have the
No,
option to stay in the car.
No, officer.
Hey,
Nope.
Over here, Miranda.
Stop.
Stop. Relax.
No.
You were calm before. Relax. I spoke to you earlier. You were very calm.
Yeah, I
Let's
was.
get back to that. Let's get back to that how we were before. I don't know why you're getting all hyper and some of that. All right.
Can we pick it back up, please? Nice and calm, right? Listen, like I explained, we're done with the crash. I'm investigating for possible driving under the influence. You understand that? Before I do that, I gotta read you some things, okay? I just need a yes or no. You understand? All right. I'm required to warn you before you make any statements. Listen to me. Can you pay attention? Give me a second. Ma'am, before you make any statements, you have the following constitutional rights.
I know I have the right to.
All right, I just gotta
know.
explain it to you, okay? And
I
this is
know.
only-
Ma'am,
I
just
know.
listen to him.
No,
This is only to protect you.
I want to.
Okay.
I want.
Just listen to what he has to
No.
say.
This is
No.
only to protect
No.
you. You have the right to remain silent and not answer any questions. Do you understand? You understand?
Hey, go on the passenger side. Make sure she's not reaching for nothing.
You have the right to remain silent and not answer
No.
any questions. Do you understand that?
No.
What don't you understand about it?
I would like to reach my
We
friend.
have to get through this, okay?
Okay,
You're gonna
I
have-
know
Okay.
that you're
Relax.
good.
Let's relax. Let's relax.
No,
We're just talking.
no,
We're just
no.
talking right now.
No, we're not talking.
We are talking. I'm trying to have a conversation with you. But I need to read this to you so you're protected.
Listen.
You understand that?
And I know what I'm projecting.
Without me reading your rights, you don't have these constitutional. I need to know that you understand you have these constitutional rights, okay?
Well, I know that I have these constitutional
Look, you have the right to remain
rights.
silent and not answer any questions. You
I
understand that?
don't agree with that. I don't agree with that. I don't agree with that.
I just need to know that you understand with it.
I don't agree with
Any
that.
statement
I
you make-
don't agree with that.
Ma'am, just listen to him.
Must be freely and
I
voluntarily
don't
given.
agree with it.
Okay, just listen.
I don't
You have the
agree
right
with
to the
it.
presence and representation
I don't
of a lawyer
agree with it.
of your choice before you make any statement and during any
I
question.
don't agree with it.
If you cannot afford a lawyer, you are entitled to the presence and representation of a court-appointed lawyer. Any statements and during any questioning. If at any time during the interview you do not wish to answer any questions, you are privileged to remain silent. I can make no threats or promises to induce you to make a statement. This must be of your own free will. Any statement can be and will be used against you in a court of law. Do you understand these rights as I have read them to you?
No.
Under Miranda BBB, Arizona, 384 Cs. Subay Sensualu. N.J.S.A. Before custodial questioning, Officers must advise suspects of their rights. Officer Mendez did exactly that. She said she didn't agree with it. 7 times. Disagreement is not invocation. It is not a waiver. And it is not a legal defense. Under Berghuis v. Thompkins. 566 S. Sambay 2010. Silence alone does not invoke the right to remain silent. You must clearly and unambiguously invoke it. She never did. She did not say, I want a lawyer. She did not say, I am invoking my right to silence. Everything she said after Miranda was admissible.
Are you just saying no because you don't agree with it, or you don't understand them? Do you understand the rights?
No,
What don't you understand?
I don't understand.
What don't you understand?
I don't understand.
I need a
I don't
explanation
understand.
so I can explain.
I
it.
don't understand.
I want to be able to
I don't
explain.
understand.
Let's bring it down.
Don't put your fucking eyes up. I don't give
I
a
want
fuck.
to be able to look at you.
You're not
What?
looking at me.
What don't you understand so I can help you understand it?
Give me my free will.
You understand your rights then?
No.
How am I going to get help you to understand them?
Give me my boyfriend.
Alright, you're going to have an opportunity to talk to him. But
No,
right
I
now,
need them. I
you
need
have
them
to deal
right
with this
now.
right now, okay?
No.
Are you ready to come out of the car so we can continue talking?
No. I know what this crap is.
Is this car in your name?
Yes.
You're the registered owner?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What's your name?
Erica.
Erica. Okay, Erica. I'm Officer Mendez, okay?
I don't give a
Like
shit
I
what
explained to
your
you.
name is.
Erica, I'm just trying to have a
I
conversation
don't
with you.
care what your name is. I'm not trying to go to jail.
Why
I'm
would
not.
you go to jail?
I'm not trying to. I'm not.
Why would you go to jail?
I'm not trying.
What is it? Did you have any drinks today? Did you have anything to drink today? Before you drove? Erica,
What?
did you have any drinks today?
No, I'm annoyed.
Why are you
I'm
annoyed?
super fucking
Well,
annoyed.
we have to go through this process, okay?
Why? Why?
I'm not going to be able to go anywhere because I'm investigating for driving under the influence.
Well,
okay, after the
investigate.
crash. That's what I'm trying to do, but you're not helping me.
What do you want from me?
Yeah, you have any drinks today?
No.
Okay.
What do you want? What else do you want?
Have any medical conditions that you suffer from?
No.
Alright. Did you hit your head at all today?
No.
Okay. Would there be a reason why you hit the car in front of you?
No.
Do you want to conduct some field sobriety exercises for me so that I can determine whether you are under the influence of
No,
anything?
sir.
You don't want to do them?
No.
Alright. If you don't do them, then I have to end my investigation based on the information that I have right now. With that in mind, would you want to do the field sobriety exercises? You don't want to do them? Alright. You're going to be placed under arrest for suspicion of driving.
When asked if she had been drinking, her first answer was, yeah. She retracted immediately. The first answer was already captured on Bodycam. She refused field sobriety exercises. That is her right. But under Florida Statute Section 316, N.J.S.A, refusal is admissible as consciousness of guilt. Implied consent law means that by driving on a public road, you have already agreed to submit to sobriety testing when lawfully requested. Refusal has consequences. Officer Mendez gave her 3 opportunities to cooperate: exit the vehicle, acknowledge Miranda, complete field sobriety exercises. She declined all 3. At that point, under the totality of circumstances, crash, no license, odor indicators, the yeah admission, an FST refusal probable cause was established. Under Graham v. Connor, Patrusute N.J.S.A upa, it's $1, Sembe Bacheleo, 1,989. Officer force is evaluated by what was objectively reasonable given the facts known at the moment. The physical removal was lawful.
Stop,
Okay,
stop,
come out of the
stop.
car.
Listen, you're
Come out of the car
you have
now.
to come out.
Stop, stop, stop.
All right.
What is wrong with you people? Stop! Stop!
Don't tense.
Stop!
Relax, relax. Let's sit down, Erica. Sit down.
No,
Listen, like I explained, under arrest for suspicion of driving a vehicle.
okay, that's fine. Stop!
Yeah, we can do it right now.
Stop! Stop! Stop!
We're right here. Literally, but I have voice study.
Just gonna pat you down, Eric.
Get this off my
Do you have a license in the car?
Get this off
Can't
my
find it. Been looking for the whole time.
Erica, relax for me. This isn't helping, okay?
Do you have anything on you, Erica, that's gonna poke or stick me?
Stop it. Don't do that. You're gonna get another charge.
I don't give a
Good?
Follow you to bat?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's take a trail.
Alright.
Step for
Yeah. Spare.
Yeah. Oh. Well, she got the camera on.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, my bad. Does she have a purse or anything in there? There's a bottle. Pretty sure it rang valid.
She was charged with DUI and battery on a law enforcement officer. She appeared in court the following morning. A judge found probable cause and appointed a public defender on May 4th, 2023. 2 weeks later, the state attorney's office declined to file the felony battery charge. The DUI was downfiled to a misdemeanor and transferred to county court. The felony case was effectively dead. By August, the $1,000 cash bond was refunded. The arrest was real. The prosecution was not. Is grads. Officers A, patient, methodical, legally precise. Miranda was delivered correctly. De-escalation was attempted multiple times. Every decision holds under Graham V's. Connor, Erica D. No license. Refused to exit the vehicle. Said yeah to drinking on camera. Refused Miranda acknowledgement. Refused FST. Physically resisted. Every refusal became evidence. Key lesson. If you are ever in this situation, you have the right to remain silent, use it clearly. You have the right to an attorney, invoke it directly. I don't agree means nothing under law. Cooperation does not mean guilt. Requesting a lawyer does not mean guilt. What does hurt you? Saying, yeah, before thinking. Then trying to walk it back on Bodycam. If you want more Bodycam breakdowns, the moment suspects don't expect to be on camera, hit subscribe. New analysis every week. Drop a comment. What do you think the sentence should have been?